Pardon the interruption, Speed Nation, but you see it on the screen. 2021 Hellcat Durango, 2021 Hellcat Charger Redeye, both nicely modified, courtesy of Dreamgiveaway.com. You can win both these vehicles. Yes, I said it correctly. One winner, two vehicles from Dreamgiveaway.com. The link will be in the description, and I will also flash the link upon the screen throughout the remainder of the video. So, how do you win? $1 will get you one ticket. If you use my promo code NEED2SPEED, you can earn double tickets with a minimum purchase of $25. So another thing to note is Dreamgiveaway.com is paying for all the taxes if you win this vehicle. Also, all proceeds will go to children's charities. I hope one of my subscribers are the winner of these two awesome vehicles. Act now, get your tickets, and now to the video. What's up, Speed Nation? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Hey, I hope y'all really liking that intro. Thanks to 924 Photography. Special thanks to 728 Auto and 3.9 Media for putting that intro together. So yeah, you read the title. New mod to the Hellcat, right? This one is a must. I don't know why this vehicle didn't come like this from the factory, but as you know, this car has the blackout badges on the back, and I'll show it to you real quick. Here we have it right here. You see the Dodge, it's in black all the way across. It's real hard to see because the light is kind of bad. I apologize for that. And it also had Charger right here in black, which that was debadged. So normally when auto manufacturers offer blacked out badges, they black out all the badges on the vehicle. Well, Dodge didn't do that. I'm about to show you the Hellcat badge is chrome. This car has chrome wheel lug nuts, so that's going to be changed as well in a different video, but check it out. Hellcat badge, chrome. Lug nuts, chrome. That stuff should be blacked out. It shows more coordination in putting the vehicle together instead of just a bunch of different colors all over the place, which really makes the car look sloppy. So we're about to rectify that problem with putting the proper badges on the Hellcat Redeye. So stay tuned. So Speed Nation, right here I have American Brother Designs, right? I've ordered some Hellcat emblems a long time ago, and I just didn't like the way they came out. Here they are right here from American Brother Designs. As you can see, it has the red eye, but it's painted, and I don't like that. It don't look original to me. Okay, Speed Nation, so I ordered these Mopar, genuine Mopar parts off of eBay, and it's my first time actually opening. So genuine Mopar parts, Hellcat badge. Haven't seen it yet, so if you're wondering, that's the part number right there. Okay, opening it for the first time with one hand, so bear with me. And here is the badge right there. It's got that nice ruby looking red eye. Not sure if the camera's picking that up, but so we're gonna do a comparison with that and American Brother Designs, and we'll do a comparison with the original that's on the car now. So size, the size is about the same, and that was one of my concerns, because the Hellcat badges on the 2020s and 2021s Hellcats are a little bigger, and this is about that size. Already that red eye looks so much better than that painted right there. So let's do a comparison. So here's the red eye badge on the car, original, which is chrome, don't like it. And here is the new red eye badge that I purchased. Size is about the same. Yeah, so I think this is gonna work. I like that better already. So in order to remove the old badges, I'm going to use this heat gun, heat up the glue on the old badge, use this fishing wire to fish that old badge off. Once I get the badge off, I'm going to use this glue gun to remove the glue that's on the car. I have some microfiber towels to wipe off the excess glue, and I'm going to use this alcohol and this Car Pro eraser to remove the excess residue from the glue gun off the car. And I also have some water right here to remove any excess residue that's left from the alcohol and the eraser. So I'm going to use this painter's tape to like mark where the Hellcat badge goes, so I can get proper placement of the Hellcat badge. I want it to look as original as possible. So let's get into the install and removal. So I use the painter's tape to mark the bottom of the badge and the front of the badge. So in theory, once I take this badge off and I place it, should have perfect placement. Glue on it, works. The alcohol works really well. Removing residue after the glue gone. Now the eraser, really clean the surface. Different microfiber. Soap water solution with a clean microfiber. Here's where the blue tape, painter's tape, comes in handy with lining up the new badge. So, bottom would be right in there. Couple of chips on this badge, but I'll fix it with a marker shortly. And that looks so much better than that crap Dodge put on. Look at that red eye. And there we have it. So alright, Speed Nation, I'm gonna do the same thing to the opposite side, and then I will film the finished product. So I'm not gonna bore you with, you know, the installation and all that, but the smallest things can make the biggest difference. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think at the bottom. I really love hearing your comments, and I'll reply to all my comments. So stay tuned. Alright, Speed Nation, so I'm done. So let me show you the finished product. And I'm going to say this once again, I said it earlier in the video, right? Some of the smallest things can make a big difference. And that really hit me when I said it earlier, because if you apply that simple concept to life, you can really change a lot. And I'm going to start doing that. Just small changes to myself to make a big difference. So let's look at the finished product, y'all. I don't think the camera is picking it up well, but that looks so much better than what Dodge put on there originally. I don't know why they did that. Here's the opposite side. Close up. Compliments the car so much better. So much better. So once again, y'all, here's what was on the car before. To now. Comment down below what's better. Come on, Dodge, let's get it together. Small details, right? So check that out. See them silver lug nuts? That's next. Hit. That's next. All right, y'all. Once again, like, share, comment, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. I really appreciate you guys.